In this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up job alerts for recruiters on Top Echelon, a powerful platform used by top recruiting professionals to connect with the best talent. Whether you're a new recruiter or just getting started with Top Echelon, you're in the right place to get everything set up quickly. You can access Top Echelon for free by clicking the first link below, and with that link, you'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss out on. Now, setting up job alerts is one of the best ways to stay ahead in the recruitment game. It lets you receive notifications as soon as a job match is made for you, so you're never left behind on potential opportunities. Let's dive into how you can do that. First, once you're logged into your Top Echelon account, you'll want to head to the job alerts section. If you're unsure where to find it, don't worry. Simply navigate to the search tab in your dashboard, and you'll see the option for job alerts listed in the drop-down menu. From here, you can start creating your alerts. You'll need to define your search criteria. This includes the job title, location, industry, and any specific skills or certifications you're looking for. Top Echelon makes it easy by allowing you to use broad or very specific parameters to match exactly what you're looking for. The more detailed your criteria, the more accurate your alerts will be. Once you've set up your search, make sure to customize the frequency of your alerts. You can choose how often you want to be notified, whether it's immediately, once a day, or even weekly. This ensures you're only alerted when it makes sense for you, so you won't be overwhelmed with constant notifications. Top Echelon also gives you the option to refine your alerts further by filtering based on the job status, experience level, or other factors specific to the roles you're trying to fill. This ensures you're getting the right candidates for the right job, saving you time and helping you make better placements faster. Don't forget to hit Save Alert once you're happy with the settings. From here on out, Top Echelon will automatically send you job alerts that match your criteria, and you'll be notified as soon as relevant opportunities come up. In addition, you can manage multiple job alerts, so if you're working with different roles or industries, you can set up alerts for each one individually. This way, your job search stays organized and efficient. Now, one thing that makes Top Echelon stand out is its integration with your email and other communication channels. You can choose to have your job alerts delivered directly to your inbox, making it easy to stay on top of your recruiting efforts without needing to log into the platform constantly. If you ever need to tweak an alert, it's easy to do so by heading back to the job alert section, where you can edit or delete alerts as needed. This flexibility is a huge time saver for recruiters who are juggling multiple searches at once. To summarize, setting up job alerts on Top Echelon is simple and powerful. With customizable search criteria, frequent notifications, and the ability to refine alerts as needed, you'll stay on top of your recruiting game. And with our exclusive link below, you can try Top Echelon for free with some added bonuses. Don't miss out on the chance to use a platform designed to make your recruiting process smarter and faster. Make sure to check out the link below to get started. And don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial and exclusive bonuses available only through this link. Thanks for watching and happy recruiting.